Welcome back, children of grade 5, for our day 3 session of reading and writing class. Children, before getting into reading, let's see a quote about the value of reading. That is, reading is dreaming with eyes wide open. Children, books that inspired action, books that inspired new ideas, and books that inspired dreams. So, when we say reading is dreaming with eyes wide open, it can easily be understood that the connection between the storyteller and the reader and how their words capture a reader's imagination. So, let's go for that imagination by reading our textbook English Fairy chapter 1. The title of the chapter, Why Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. Children, all of you take page number 2. Shall we start reading, children? Yes. Let's read. Children, shall we start reading? Yes. So look at here, the title of the chapter, Why Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. So we'll read the spelling for the title, children, first. Why. W-H-Y. Why. Evergreen. E-V-E-R. Ever. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Ever. Green. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. N-E-V-E-R. Never. Never. N-E-V-E-R. Never. L-O-S-E. Lose. L-O-S-E. What is that, children? Lose. L-O-S-E. Lose. T-H-E-I-R. There. There. T-H-E-I-R. There. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. So, the title of the chapter is Why Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. Okay. Look at the warm-up, children. Let's read the warm-up now. The little girl. The little girl. L-I, the, T-H-E, the, L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. G-I-R-L. Girl. G-I-R-L. What is that, children? Girl. I-N. In. I-N. In. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. P-I-C. Pick. P-I-C. Pick. T-U-R-E. Chur. Picture. What is that word, children? It is picture. P-I-C. Pick. T-U-R-E. Chur. Picture. Picture. I-S is. Picture is lost. L-O-S-T. Lost. L-O-S-T. Lost. I-N. In. A mall. M-A-L-L. Mall. So, the word is, the sentence here, the little girl in the picture is lost in a mall. Repeat along with me, children. Let's read together. Keep your fingers and follow me. The little girl in the picture is lost in a mall. Yes. Read the first question, children. W-H-A-T. What is that? What? What? D-O. Do. What do? Y-O-U. What do you? T-H-I-N-K. What is that? Think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. S-H-E. She. S-H-E. What is that, children? She. S-H-O-U-L-D. It is not should. It is should. How to pronounce the word, children? Should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. D-O. Do. N-O-W. What is that? N-O-W. Now. N-O-W. Now. So, what is the first question? What do you think T-H-I-N-K, think. She should do now. She should do now. Yes. Read the next remaining question here. WHO. What is the children? Who? WHO. Who? SHOULD. Should. How to pronounce the word, children? Should. 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 SHE. 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 Approach. AP. Up. Approach. PROACH. Approach. AP. Up. Approach. PROACH. Approach. So what is that word, children? Approach. Up. AP. Up. Approach. PROACH. Approach. For. 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 HELP. 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 That's all from the first question, children. Let's read the first question again. One more time. Yes. Read along with me, children. What do you think she should do now? And the next question from the first question. Who should she approach for help? Who should she approach for help? Look at the second question, children. IF. What is that? If. 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 YOU. What is that, children? You. 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 WERE. WERE. Where. WERE. Where. Say the spelling along with me, children, loudly. What is the word? Where. WERE. Where. LOST. 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 IN. In. What is that word? SHOP. SHOP. What is that? Shop. PING. Ping. Shop. Ping. Shopping. Shopping. Mall. 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 Shopping mall. HOW. What is that? How. 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 WOULD. What is that? Would. It should not be pronounced as would. It should be pronounced as would. Would. Because L is silent, children. So we should not use L. While we are pronouncing, we should not use L. So it is would. How would you? YOU. You. FEEL. 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 So see the first partition of the second question. If you. Read along with me, children. If you were lost in a shopping mall, how would you feel? How would you feel? See the next remaining question there. WHAT. What is that? What? WHAT. What? WOULD. What is that? Would. Would. What? Would. YOU. You. What would you? DO. Do. What would you do? Yes. That's all from the warm-up, children. Let's read the reading part now. Shall we move on to the story? Yes. See here. Reading. What is spelling for reading, children? We must, as we are reading now, we must know the spelling for reading. So, READ. Read. ING. Ing. So, reading. READ. Read. ING. Ing. So, it is together. Reading. What is it, children? Reading. Say the spelling for reading again. Shall we start? Yes. READ. Read. ING. Ing. So it is together. Reading. So see the next one. READ. 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 THIS. What is that? This. 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 STORY. STORY. What is that, children? Story. 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 ABOUT. What is that, children? ABOUT. It is about. ABOUT is about. Then next word. Lost. 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 L-O-S-T, lost. What is that word, children? L-O-S-T, lost. L-I-T-T-L-E. Split the word, children. How to split it? L-I-T-T-L-E, L-I-T, lit, T-L-E, till. So it is together, little. What is that word, children? Little. L-I-T, lit, T-L-E, till. Little. B-I-R-D. What is that? Here you can see in this picture, no? What is that? It's a bird. B-I-R-D. What is the spelling for bird? B-I-R-D. Bird. T-H-A-T. That. T-H-A-T. That. T-H-A-T. That. W-A-S. Was. W-A-S. Was. W-A-S. Was. Then the next word. V-E-R-Y. What is that, children? Very. V-E-R-Y. Very. Children, the next word. A-F-R-A-I-D. What is that? A-F. F. A-F. F. R-A-I-D. Raid. Afraid. What is that word, children? Afraid. A-F. F. R-A-I-D. Raid. Afraid. Yes. Children, shall we start the story and the conversations? Yes. See the first one. W-I-N-T-E-R. What is that? The beginning sentence of the story. W-I-N-T-E-R. What is that? W-I-N. What is that? Win. T-E-R. Ter. Winter. So split the word and read the spelling, children. You can read the spelling and the word easily. You can find out the word easily. So like this. W-I-N. Win. W-I-N, children. Win. T-E-R. Ter. T-E-R. Ter. So together it is winter. Winter. Okay. Now have you learned about this, children? How to split the word? Yes. So read the next one. What is the next word, children? W-A-S. Was. W-A-S. Was. What is the word? Was. C-O-M-I-N-G. What is this? Children, can you tell the word? What is it, children? C-O-M. What is that? C-O-M. How to pronounce that? C-O-M. Come. I-N-G. Ing. Together it is coming. Very good. Coming. So, winter was coming. And. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. What is the, children? And. A-N-D. And. Next word. A-L-L. What is that word, children? All. A-L-L. All. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. B-I-R-D-S. B-I-R-D. Bird. Along with S, it is birds. In plural form, it is birds. W-E-R-E. What is that? Where. Birds. Where. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. F-L-Y. Fly. I-N-G. Ing. Flying. T-O-2. T-O-2. A warmer. M-W-A-R-M-E-R. Warmer. So, what is the word, children? Warmer. W-A-R. Warmer. M-E-R. Mer. Warmer. Place. P-L-A-C-E. Place. P-L-A-C-E. Place. Then, coming to the conversation here in the story. First, children, here a family of birds. The father bird is talking and it's starting the conversation here. H-U-R-R-Y. Hurry. H-U-R-R-Y. Hurry. U-P. Up. Hurry up. U-P. Up. Hurry up. Next word. H-U-R-R-Y. What is this, children? Hurry. H-U-R-R-Y. What is that, children? Hurry. U-P. Up. Hurry up. Hurry up means get ready fast. Then W-I-N. As I told you before, we read this word, children. What is this word? W-I-N. Win. T-E-R. Ter. What is this? Winter. Winter. I-S. Is. Almost. A-L. Most. M-O-S-T. Most. Almost. So what is that? Almost. What is the word, children? Almost. H-E-R-E. Here. H-E-R-E. Here. Next word. V. W-E-V. Here you can see the apostrophe, children. Apostrophe V. What does it mean? It's a short form, children. Do you know the short form and the contraction? That is, we have. So, inside the apostrophe, we have H-A. So, the word we should pronounce it as we have. It's a word, it is we have. But in the contraction, we should pronounce it as weave. What is that, children? Weave. 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 So, it is we have. We have, and it is the contraction of we have. What is the contraction of we have? It is weave. How to pronounce the word? Weave. Weave. G-O-T. Got. G-O-T. Got. What is that word, children? G-O-T. Got. L-O-N-G. Long. L-O-N-G. What is it, children? Long. L-O-N-G. Long. W-A-Y. Way. W-A-Y. Way. W-A-Y. Way. T-O-2. T-O-2. G-O. Go. What is that, children? G-O. Go. G-O. Go. Let's read from the beginning of this conversation, children. Yes. H-U-R-R-Y. Hurry. U-P. Up. Hurry up. Winter. W-I-N-T-R. Winter. I-S. Is. A-L. Al. M-O-S-T. Most. Almost. H-E-R-E. Here. Almost. Here. So, V apostrophe V-E. What is this? What is it the word? What is the word, children? How to pronounce this word? Weave. That is we have. Weave. 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 G-O-T. Got. Got. L-O-N-G. Long. W-A-Y. Way. T-O-2. G-O. Go. Hurry up. Winter is almost here. We've got a long way to go. This is the conversation, children. Let's see the conversation of the mother. Reply from the mother. I-S. Is. I-S. Is. E-V-E-R-Y. What is that? E-V-E-R-Y. Every. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. O-N-E. What is that? O-N-E. One. O-N-E. Do you know, children, what is the word O-N-E? One. One. Okay. So, every one. Together it is everyone. What is the word, children? Everyone. Okay. Yes. So, read the next word. R-E-A-D-Y. R-E-A-D. Read. Along with this Y is added here. So, it is ready. What is that? Ready. Ready. L-E-T apostrophe S. Let's. How to pronounce this word, children? Let's. Let's go. G-O. Go. So, see the conversation. Is everyone ready? Let's go. So, is everyone ready? Let's go. This is the conversation and the reply from the mother. Okay. Look at the baby's side. Baby birds. What they are saying? Veer. Veer. W-E. V. Apostrophe A. Apostrophe means here A is inside the apostrophe. Hidden inside the apostrophe. So, R-E. It is R. So, we should pronounce it as Veer. But it is the word really, it is VR. VR is there, but we should pronounce it as Veer. Veer, R-E-A-D-Y. What is that? Ready. Veer, ready. Veer, ready. L-E-T apostrophe S. How to pronounce the word? Let's. Let's go. G-O, go. Let's go. S-O-U-T-H. Children, you know the word, I think. It is the direction. What is that? South. What is that? South. Children, you would have already learned in your social book about the directions. East, west, north, south. So here, this word S-O-U-T-H is the direction south. S-O-U-T-H. What is that, children? South. Children, now we have read the starting conversation by the family of birds. Children, let's read the next part of the story. Here, look at the first conversation by the little bird. O-N-E, one. O-N-E, what is that, children? One. L-I-T-T-L-E, what is that? Lit. L-I-T, lit. T-I-L-E, till. Little. Little. B-I-R-D, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. H-A-D, had. What is that word, children? H-A-D, had. B-R-O-K-E-N, bro. B-R-O, bro. K-E-N, ken. What is the word? Broken. So split the word into two, children. So for this word broken, we have two syllables. What are the two syllables? Bro. Bro, first syllable. Ken, second syllable. So together it is broken. Broken. H-I-S, his. H-I-S, his. W-I-N-G, wing. W-I-N-G, what is that? Wing. Wing. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, what is the word, children? And. C-O-U-L-D, what is that word? Do you remember we read this word now? How to pronounce this word, children? Yes, could. C-O-U-L-D, could. N-O-T, not. N-O-T, not. So it is could not. Could not. Okay. Next word, K-E-E-P. What is it that? What is that, children? K-E-E-P, keep. K-E-E-P, keep. Keep. U-P, up. U-P, up. W-I-T-H. W-I-T-H. What is that word? With. With. W-I-T-H, with. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. O-T-H-E-R-S, others. What is that? Others. We should pronounce it as, we should not pronounce it as others. It is others. Others. O-T-H-E-R-S. What is that, children? Others. Say the word again. Repeat the word again. Others. Others. Yes. See the next line. H-E, he. L-A-Y, lay. L-A-Y, lay. Lay, lay. L-A-Y, lay. A-L-O-N-E. Split the word, children. How we can split it? A, lone. A, a. A. For A, you have to pronounce it as A. L-O-N-E, lone. Lone. Alone. What is that word, children? Alone. I-N, in. I-N, in. C-O-L-D. What is the word C-O-L-D? Here you have to use L along with the word. So it is cold. Cold. Climate. Cold. Cold. C-O-U, sorry, C-O-L-D. Cold. Next word. It is very known word. You are familiar with that word. What is that word, children? F-O-R-E-S-T. You have well known about this word. For, F-O, R-E-S-T, rest. What is that? Forest. Forest. F-O, R-E-S-T, rest. Forest. Forest. Okay. See the next conversation by the little bird. OH. It's a sound. O. It's a sound. We have to pronounce it as O. OH. O. NO. 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 O. No. THEY. 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 Apostrophe. VE. We already saw this word, like this word. Weave. So here, they've. 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 Left. L-E-F-T. Left. L-E-F-T. Left. M-E. Me. M-E. Me. Behind. B-B-H-I-N-D. Hind. Behind. B-B-H-I-N-D. What is that word, children? Behind. 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 W-H-A-T. What is that? What? W-H-A-T. What? S-H-A-L-L. Shall. S-H-A-L-L. Shall. What shall I? I-D-O. Do. What shall I do? What shall I do? M-A-Y. May. B. So it is maybe. Maybe. I-C-A-N. Can. What is that word, children? How to pronounce that word? Can. C-A-N. Can. A-S-K. What is that word? A-S-K. Ask. Ask. A-S-K. Ask. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. T-R-E-S. Trees. T-R-E-S. Trees. O-F. Off. T-H-E. The. Again. F-O. For. R-E-S-T. Rest. Forest. What is that word, children? Forest. Two. T-O-2. H-E-L-P. What is that word, children? H-E-L-P. Help. Help. M-E. Me. So, children, we are going to wind up this reading part till this conversation. The remaining part we will read in the next class, children. Let's move on to the writing part. Come, let's start, right, children? Children, shall we start right now? Yes. Take your handwriting note, all of you. Take your pencil or pen, whatever it is. Be ready. Let's write now. Yes. Children, shall we start right now? What we have to do first? Yes, we have to write the date. What is the date today? Write the date first. 14. Write the date first. 14, 8, 20. Okay. First you have to write the date. Whatever it is, whether it is a handwriting note or it's your classwork, whatever note it is, when you start write, you have to write the date first, children. Don't forget it. Yes. Write the day here. Day 3. Day 3. What is the chapter? Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Writing. You have to write writing. W or I-T-I-N-G. Writing. Writing. Yes. Page number. What is the page number, children? Sorry. Page. PAGE. Page number 2. Page number 2. Let's start write the paragraph now. So what we read today, the same paragraph we are going to write now. Yes. So the first one, we are going to start from the winter. So W, winter, WINTER, winter. See here children how I have written W. I have joined here TER. See or how I have written or. This is the way you have to write winter. Okay. Next one WAS, was. WAS, was. Was. See. See how I have started C. COMING. What is this word children? Coming. What is the word? Coming. The word it is coming. Next AND. And 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 ALL, all. ALL, all. And all. THE, the B. See how I have written B, BI or DS, birds. BARDS, birds. WERE, where. F. See F how I have written. Shall I write one more time here? Look at the F children. All of you. You have to start. Bring it inside. Put a small curve. This is F. Be clear children. This is F and this is B. See the difference between B and F. Be clear children. Don't confuse with B and F. So B is totally different from F. So you have to write like this. Yes. So let's start. Write the word FLYING. Flying. TO2. To a warmer. WAR MER. What is that? Warmer. Next, place. See how I am writing P. Look at carefully children. Okay. Are you clear about this word children? PLACE, place. Yes. Now we are going to start the conversation. So I am just leaving some space. I am writing HURRY. What is this word children? Hurry. UP, up. Hurry up. Full stop. After full stop, how you have to write? Only in capital. So don't forget children, after full stop, you have to start the word. The first letter must be in capital. So WINTER. What is this? Winter. IS. Is. L M O S T. Almost. 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 H E R E. Here. Almost. Here. Full stop. So wherever I am giving full stop, you have to give full stop. Dot. How to pronounce this word, children? See, V apostrophe. How to pronounce this word? Actually, it is we have. We have. H-A-V-E. The full form is we have, but the short form, that is contraction. Short form is weave. How to pronounce this word, children? Weave. Weave. G-O-T. Got. G-O-T. Got. Got a long. L-O-N-G. Long. W-A-Y. Way. Long way. T-O. Two. T-O. Two. G-O. Go. G-O. Go. Okay. Now we are going to start the next conversation by the mother bird. Okay. See how I am writing I. I. It is not I, it is is. See, children, how I have written I and is. Yes, it is is. Next, E, V, E, R, Y. Every. O, N, E. One. Every one. E, V, E, R, Y. Every. O, N, E. One. R, E, A, D, Y. What is this word, children? R, E, A, D, Y. Ready. Ready. R, E, A, D, Y. Ready. Then capital letter L. How to pronounce this word, children? Let's. Let's. G O. Let's go. Let's go. Full stop. Yes, the next conversation. So I am leaving some space and I am starting. So you can also write in the same way. W. See this word, children. Apostrophe. R-E. What is this word? As we wrote before, weave. Here also it is V-R. The full form is VR, but the contraction, the short form is Veer. How to pronounce this word, children? Veer. R-E-A-D-Y. Ready. Veer. Ready. L. Capital L. How to pronounce this word, children? Let's. Let's. G-O. Go. Let's go. South. S-O-U-T-H. South. S-O-U-T-H. South. Full stop. Let's write the next conversation, next scene. So I am leaving one line. I am starting from some distance. I am just moving. Indenting, I am writing O, because as First letter is a capital letter, so we should write this O alone in big size. O N E, one. One, O N E, one. L I T T L E. What is this word, children? Little. L I T T L E, little. B A R D, bird. B A R D, bird. H A D, had. H E D, had. B R O K E N, broken. B R O, bro. K E N, ken. As I told you before in the reading session, reading part, it should be split into two. If it is a big word, you have to split the word according to the sound. Then you can read the word easily. See here, H-I-S. What is this word, children? Hiss. W-I-N-G. Wing. A-N-D. And. A-N-D, and. C-O-U-L-D. How to pronounce this word? Is it cold? Children, is it cold, children? No, it is could. How to pronounce this word? It is could. N-O-T, not. So it is could not. K. See how I am starting K. What is this word, children? Keep. So you have to start K like this. See here. This is the way you have to write K, children. Okay. Write next word. U, P. Up. See how I am writing P. This is the way you should write P, children. W-I-T-H, with. W-I-T-H, with. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. O-T-H-E-R-S. What is this word, children? Others. O-T-H-E-R-S, others. See how I am writing? Others. H-E, he. L-A-Y, L-A-Y. See how I am starting L? L-A-Y. Lay, lay. A. See how I have started A. A, L, O, N, E. What is this word, children? Alone. Alone. I-N, in. A, C-O-L-D, cold. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. So children, today we wrote the conversation for the first chapter. Write the handwriting every day, children. Don't miss any session. Follow me. Definitely you can improve your handwriting and reading skill, children. Support us and follow us in your reading and writing class. Thank you. I'll catch you in the another video of reading and writing. So, children, reading is dreaming with eyes wide open. So, children, have a habit of reading books to enhance your reading skill.